Hello class 10. Today I am going to continue with this chapter, that is photosynthesis, chapter number 6, photosynthesis. Now today I am going to start with this new topic, for process of photosynthesis. Okay, process of photosynthesis, as you know, it is a live process and occur in plant only. By this process, plant make their own food in the presence of the pigment chlorophyll and the sunlight. Okay, because mesophyll cells in the leaf are the principal center of the activity. Basically, first thing, where it occurs. Okay, it occurs in the mesophyll cells. In the mesophyll cells. Okay, both palisade and spongy mesophyll cells. Okay, in a leaf are the principal center of this activity. During daytime, when sunlight falls on the leaf, the light energy is trapped. Which energy is trapped? Light energy is trapped. Okay, light energy क्या होती है? ट्रैप होती है by the chlorophyll. कौन करता है? By chlorophyll. Okay, and okay, now this light energy is trapped by the pigment chlorophyll and especially the palisade cells. Okay, and this energy is utilized in chemical process involved in the manufacture of the food and the raw material used in it. Okay, raw material क्या हम use करते हैं? Material used in it, that is CO2 and H2O, carbon dioxide and water used. Basically here carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and enters in the leaf by diffusion down a concentration gradient and through the stomata. And the second one is water. Water from the soil is taken up by the root, sent up through the stem and finally to leaves, where it distributed in the mesophyll tissue. The chemical equation for this photosynthesis is here. Say 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O is just double. Water just double in the presence of sunlight or light energy and the pigment chlorophyll. And the pigment chlorophyll and क्या बनाता है? Glucose, that is C6H12O6 and oxygen as a byproduct and 6H2O and 6H2O, 6O2 and 6H2O and one molecule of glucose. This is glucose. Glucose is formed during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, the glucose molecule C6H12O6 is a simple sugar readily soluble in water. The 6 molecules of H2O is liberated. See here, 6 molecule of H2O is liberated at the end of the process are those that are reformed during the chain of reaction and not out of the original ones. Okay, now next one, that is the two main phases of the photosynthesis, that is light dependent phase and light independent phase. This one is a simple process and the equation, but it completed in two phases basically, full equation. Two main phases of photosynthesis. Two main phases of photosynthesis. First one, light dependent phase. Light dependent phase. And second one, that is light independent phase. Light independent phase. Okay, in light dependent phase is also called photochemical phase. This is also called photochemical phase. It is also called photochemical phase. Light dependent phase is also called the photochemical phase. In this phase, light plays a key role. A series of chemical reactions occur in a very quick succession. initiated by the light, and therefore the phase is called the photochemical phase. Why? Because in the presence of sunlight it occurs, so it is called as photo. Photo means here light, and chemical changes occur in the presence of light, so it is called photochemical phase. The light radiation take place in where it take place? It is in thallicoid. It is a 1 marks question in the board examination, where it take place, light dependent reaction in a thallicoid containing chlorophyll of the chloroplast. The light reaction of photochemical phase occur in 2 main steps. This one is occur in 2 main steps. Now next we see that one. Now first it occur in 2 steps. First step 1, that is एक्टिवेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफिल. ठीक है, सबसे पहले लाइट से क्या होगा? एक्टिवेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफिल. तभी तो क्लोरोफिल एनर्जी को ट्रैप करेगा. जब तक एक्टिवेट नहीं होगा तो एनर्जी ट्रैप नहीं होगी. एक्टिवेशन ऑफ chlorophyll. In this first step, activation of the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll on exposure to sunlight energy or light energy becomes activated by absorbing photon. क्या absorb करता है? As you know, bundle of light, that is known as photon. And photon is the smallest unit of light energy. What is photon? Photon is the smallest unit of light energy. Now step 2. एंड इन स्टेप 2 स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है, जब ये एक्टिवेट हो जाता है तो लाइट की प्रेजेंस में वाटर का ब्रेक डाउन होता है. दैट इज नोन एज स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर और फोटोलिसिस. ओके, स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर. Okay, splitting of water, the absorbed energy is used in splitting the water molecule into its 2 components, hydrogen and oxygen, and release electrons. See here in this equation, this is water molecule and energy of 4 photon. कितनी energy use होगी? 4 photons की. And after that it release 4 hydrogen ion and 4 electron plus O2 release. This is known as splitting of water, and this reaction is also known as photolysis. Why photolysis? Because in the presence of sunlight, that is photo. Lysis means breakdown of water, यानी कि light की presence में water का breakdown होगा, that is known as photolysis. Okay, photo means light and lysis means breaking down. Okay, which means a splitting by light. Photolysis defined as the splitting of water molecules into hydrogen ion, oxygen ion in the presence of the light and grey now. End result of the products of photolysis. Photolysis में end product क्या है? That is hydrogen ion are picked up by NADP. This hydrogen ion picked by NADP. What is the full form of this NADP? It is a 1 marks question in the board examination. What is the full form of NADP? Nicotinamide adenine diphosphate. Adenine diphosphate. Okay. And converted into NADP, converted into NADPH. NADPH always. NADP always converted into NADPH, and NADP converted into NADP. NADP converted into NADPH, and NADPH converted into NADP. What is the full form of this NADPH? That is nicotinamide adenine diphosphate hydrogenase. Okay, diphosphate, H for hydrogens. Okay, the oxygen component is given out as a molecular oxygen. यहाँ पे जो oxygen निकलता है, that is molecular oxygen. And the electron are used in the converting. These electron are used in the converting ADP into ATP. These are used to convert ADP into ATP. ये 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या करते हैं? एक्टिवेट करते हैं ADP को, नाउ कन्वर्ट इनटू ATP. एंड दिस हाइड्रोजन आयन कन्वर्ट NADP इनटू NADPH. क्लियर इट? बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वेशन इन द बोर्ड. तो वहाँ पे आपसे पूछा जाएगा, नाउ व्हाट इज द फेट ऑफ दिस हाइड्रोजन आयंस आफ्टर स्प्लिटिंग. So now you say that hydrogen ion convert NADP into the NADPH, and what is the fate of this 4 electron? Now these 4 electron converts ADP into ATP, and what is the fate of this oxygen? Here it is a molecular oxygen, stable here. Okay. Okay, now next one. This process is called photophosphorylation. ओके 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करेंगे, एडीपी को एटीपी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन. यानी कि सन की प्रेजेंस में, लाइट एनर्जी की प्रेजेंस में एटीपी का फॉर्मेशन होगा. दैट इज नोन एज फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन. That is known as photophosphorylation, addition of phosphate, and since the energy used in the process comes from light, the photon, the process is termed as photophosphorylation. Now here some important terms we used, that is activation of the chlorophyll. As you know, in the presence of sunlight it activates and in the form of photons, bundles होंगे, smallest unit of the light energy. The second step, that is called the splitting of water, also called the photolysis, because the splitting of water occur in the presence of light energy. Okay, 4 photons are used for splitting of water, and water molecule convert into the 4 hydrogen ions on 4 electron and to O2, that is molecular oxygen. And this hydrogen ion converts NADP, nicotinamide adenine diphosphate, into NADPH, that is nicotinamide adenine diphosphate dehydrogenase, and hydrogenase, not D. And this 4 electron converts ADP into the ATP, and this process is called photophosphorylation, यानी कि addition of the phosphate molecule. Adenosine diphosphate convert into the triphosphate. Di to tri, that is means increase the number of 1 phosphate molecule here, and what is the fate? This is the molecular oxygen. This is stable compound.